Welcome to Vancic Maths. Today we look at non-homogeneous second order differential equation where f of x it is not equal to 0. So for our case here we have d squared x over dt squared minus 5 dx dt plus 6x is equals to exponent negative 4t. So here we have we want to find x of t. So for second order non-homogeneous, we usually have the first solution xn and the second, which is the particular solution. So this first solution xn, we are going to solve the homogeneous. We first of all solve the homogeneous part, and the homogeneous part we look at we find the characteristic equation, where the characteristic equation is r squared minus 5r. So here we have r squared minus 5 dx dt becomes r, and you have plus 6 is equal to 0. We solve the homogeneous part first. So here the sum is negative 5, the product is positive 6. So you have negative 2 and negative 3. So you have r squared minus 2r minus 3r plus 6 is equals to 0. Common here is r, it goes here, r minus 2. Common here is negative 3, so it goes here, r minus 2. So if factorize, we'll have r minus 3, r minus 2 is equals to 0. It means your r1 will be positive 3 and your r2 will be positive 2. So these are the roots, and the roots are real. So when you remember, if you have real roots, then the format of the general solution xn, we have a exponent, have your r1t plus b exponent r2t, have the general solution. Or we can have when it is in terms of yn, can have c1 exponent r1x plus c2 exponent r2x. So for our case here we have now xn, we have a, the first constant, exponent r1 we have 3t plus b, exponent r2 we have 2, then we have t. So we need to find our xp, our particular solution. So from the format we have exponent negative 4t. So you can say let xp to be a exponent negative 4t. So since it is a second order, we differentiate it for the first time, x prime of p. Now if you differentiate an exponential function, this coefficient goes here, we have negative 4a exponent negative 4t. Then differentiate again for the second time, this times this, we have 16 exponent negative 4t. Then substitute this particular solution in your equation, which was dx squared d squared x over dt squared minus 5 dx dt plus 6x is equals to exponent negative 4t. So we are going to replace second derivative, it is this one. So we have 16 exponent negative 4t minus 5, the first derivative, For the particular solution, we have minus 4 exponent negative 40 plus 6 x, which is a, exponent negative 40 is equals to exponent negative 40. So we have 16 exponent negative 40, this one will be 20, exponent negative 40 becomes 36, plus 6, we have 42, exponent negative 40 is equals to exponent negative 40. This is 42a exponent negative 40. Here we have a also. Here we have a. I'd forgotten that. Here we'll also have a. So now the value of a. Now when you divide by 42 exponent negative 40 on both sides. Now exponent negative 40 over 42 exponent negative 40. These and these will cancel, so you remain with 1 over 42. So it means your x particular, your a is 1 over 42. You just go back and replace. Your a is 1 over 42, then exponent negative 40. So our final solution xt, decide it is xn plus x particular. So our xn, we had a exponent 3t plus b exponent 2t, then we add particular 1 over 42 exponent negative 4t.